What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to go in first person in Greenville. It's really easy, and it's really cool as well. I said really easy like 3 times, but it works really easily. What you want to do, you just want to press I, which makes you zoom in, and when you're fully zoomed in, it will be like this. So like, and yeah, this is how you do it. You could if you zoom out a little bit, it just glitches, and yeah, you glitch, and it only works on convertible cars. And yeah, it only works for convertible cars. I am driving the Miata, and it works really nice. But if I close the top and if I just zoom in, press I to zoom in, it doesn't work. Only if the car is like that, I can zoom in and I can drive. It's really cool, and you can also like look back and like look and yeah, it's really cool. On some cars like the BMW, on the BMW Roadster, actually when you like do the turning things, I forgot the arrows. God, when you press C, it like shows up on the dashboard, but like on some cars, I mean like only on the BMW just does. So if you have a luxury pack and you have enough money to buy the BMW Roadster, I definitely recommend it because you could go in first person and it's really nice. And the GV devs did put a lot of effort into first person, and I think yeah, this is it for the video, guys. Don't forget like and subscribe, and if you want more videos on how to like other stuff, and yeah, I'll do that in the comment. I'll make it for you, and also gonna do something special this week, so that's gonna be one video. And yeah, this is it for the video, guys. Don't forget like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeet.